Hi guys, it is Dimitris from Vehicle Aftermarket Installations on site. Today it was a big day. We have this brand new Ford Everest. So we have done a dual battery setup with voltage sense relay isolator for powering up the fridge in the van. Okay, so we have an Anderson plug right here, a gray one for the fridge, red one for the alcohol system, 12-pin plug, airbags for the rear, and our camera from the van. So everything is fitted right there. Then on the other hand, we have two Anderson plugs inside here in the rear compartment. It is for the fridge and battery box or something to power up. High power Anderson plugs, 50 amps. So we also had an Oricon installed. Yeah, sorry, it is late at night. So we hidden the main head unit. It is in the center console. Safety Dave rear view mirror with touchscreen display. It works as a mirror. Two inputs, AV1, AV2. Dash camera front and rear. Neat and tidy. All the harness are hidden. And the rear internal Anderson plugs, they're coming from our auxiliary battery. We have a dual battery setup over here, red dark system for charger. So like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.